Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I have some goodies that I want to share with you guys from Temu, and I also have a special guest. Hi. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and I got a special guest in this video. For those of you that are new to my channel and don't know, this is my gorgeous, beautiful, smart, multi-talented daughter, Jaslyn. Say hey, Chalk Nation.
Hey, Chalk Nation.
We got something special for y'all. What time is it?
It's Temu time.
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 Hey, it's Temu time. I ordered some pretty cool stuff on Temu. I got a couple hair items and some nail items, press-on nails. So let's get right on into this haul. Okay, so let's get into the first item of this haul. It is a blow dryer straightener brush. So it's like a blow dryer and a straightener in one. So it's a hot air brush. I got this because Jaslyn is tender-headed. She has a lot of thick hair, and I feel like this would make the blow drying process a lot better for her because she swear I be hurting her, y'all. I don't be hurting her. Do I be hurting you?
You hurt me because my hair is thick and sensitive.
She swear I be hurting her.
Don't believe
but no,
her.
it might hurt a little bit.
Don't believe her.
This is why we got this. So we ain't got to be arguing and fighting when it's time for hair wash day. This should make it nice and, you know, smooth. And let's open it and see what it looks like.
These are the instructions for the brush, guys.
And here is the brush
itself.
And it's a pretty nice size brush, y'all. As you can see, it has two different type of bristles on it, and these are more for the detangling, and then it has the kind of like the bristle brushes to help brush through the hair. And here's the settings. You just rotate this to put it on off, low, medium, or high, and I cannot wait to use this. So it should make wash day a little bit easier for my baby, also for myself. It's a task to blow dry both of our hair because we got thick hair. So I will be doing another video showing you guys how this works. Okay, y'all, so let's get into the next item in this haul. I know y'all been seeing this brush all over TikTok and Instagram. This is Temu's version of the Unbrush. If you have not heard of the Unbrush, I don't know where you've been because everybody is talking about it. It's supposed to detangle your hair better than any other type of detangling brush. So, of course, I had to get the Temu dupe to see if it's any good. I got the color pink. And let me open it for y'all real quick. This is what it looks like. It does look a lot, not a lot, but a little bit different than the original Unbrush. It has the same bristles. I don't have the original Unbrush, so I definitely have to get one of those so I can compare the two. Okay, y'all, so we're moving right along to the next item. Go ahead and pull out another item from the pack. Oh, she picked press-ons.
Here is the next item.
Oh, and these are so cute. Let me switch the camera angle so you guys can see these better because honestly, the ring light is not doing them no justice from this angle. So let me switch it up so y'all can see. Okay, so let me open these up, and y'all look at these nails. These are so cute. They are so well made. It has that blue chrome effect on the blue part of the nails, and then the background of the nails are like a peachy cream color. color, and the colors just go so well with each other. They are long coffin shape, which I love, and the quality of these nails are just amazing. Like, let me see, let me pick one up. They have a nice curve to them. They are not thin, flexible at the cuticle. They're really sturdy at the tip, which I love. Ooh, I cannot wait to apply these. Yes, these are definitely giving. Okay, Jaslyn done left out of here and just left me alone to do this video, so she'll catch y'all later towards the end. But I got another set for you guys, and these are like a marble. I've been getting a lot of marble sets lately, like different color marble sets, and when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, this black and gold just is perfect together. I love how this pinky nail is just glittery and shiny. And y'all know New Year's colors are, you know, a lot of gold and shimmer and glitter. So these, I think these are going to be the nails that I go into the new year with, because they just scream Happy New Year. Or, you know, like some type of celebration. And just imagine a nice glossy top coat over those marble nails. They're going to be so shiny and cute. So yes, these nails are definitely giving 2024. Okay, so up next I have a 6-color gel nail polish set, and I am super excited to see how these colors look. So they have numbers at the top, which lets you know which color you are picking. I would have liked something on the front of the bottle to show what color it is that I am picking, because I'm just a visual person like that. I like to see. I don't want to have to be looking at the numbers, and I'm not gonna remember which number means what color. So I mean, I guess that's fine, but I would like a little color explanation on the bottle. But it is what it is. I'm just excited to see what the colors look like. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch the colors onto this nail art palette. Okay, so we're gonna start with color 900, and it's like a kind of like a burnt brown. And okay, it has some pigment to it, so that's good. Okay, next up we got color 004, which is like a light nude. And it is really light. You could barely even see it. Let me pick it up so y'all can see. That one doesn't have a lot of pigment to it at all. But we're going to move right on to the next one, which looks exactly like 004. But let's see. And this one has a bit more of a yellow undertone to it. But these colors are not very pigmented at all. You can barely see them. Okay, this one looks like a peachy nude color. I like that. That one looks pretty. Let's see if it got some pigment to it. And barely. These colors are not really giving. They're not giving. They're not giving what I thought they were going to give, especially from the picture. I'll insert a picture. I thought they were going to be a lot more pigmented. So this one is more like a hot cocoa brown. And yeah, it's not very pigmented at all. These are so light. You probably have to put like 2 or 3 coats on just to get some kind of color. So I'm not really feeling these colors, but let's see what the last one looks like. And it looks like a light nude, like the second and the third colors. And it's giving the same color as the second and the third color. So no, I don't like these. Okay, so I got another nail set for you guys, and look at these. I rarely get a stiletto nail set that I really like, but when I saw these, I was like, ooh, These are giving zebra realness, okay? I love how they are light nude, and then it has the black and white design lines on the tips. Y'all know I love a good line on a nail. Something about them squiggly lines that I just love, and these were really cute, so I had to get these. And yeah, they're a little bit out of the norm of what I wear by them being a stiletto shape, but honey, oh yeah, these are going to give when I apply them, and I cannot wait. But yeah, these are super cute. Okay, so up next I got this 8 color chrome powder pack. I've never worked with chrome powder before, but it looks really easy to work with. And it comes with all 8 of the colors, and it has the little brushes that you use to brush the chrome powders onto your nails. And let's see what it looks like. Okay. Ooh. Now these are pretty. This is pretty. This is like a silver chrome powder. Okay, so let's open another one. That silver looks like it's gonna be so pretty and shimmery on some nails. Let's see what this color. Oh, oh my God. Did I really just do that? Oh my goodness. Y'all, help me, Lord. Help me, Lord. I done wasted half of the chrome powder on my hand. That wasn't even Temu fault. That was my fault, y'all. But I mean, while it's there, let's look how pretty that color is. Just imagine this on some nails. Like, the burgundy gives. Oh my goodness. Look, half of the powder gone out of this one, y'all. Let me clean up so we can get into the rest of these colors. Let me call y'all right back. Okay, y'all. I done cleaned them up and got them together. And I will say, when you are peeling off that protective covering, be careful, because it dents into the powder easily, but it doesn't peel up easy. So I ended up just using a cuticle cutter to kind of lift it up a little bit and then peel it back. So just be careful, y'all. I am so clumsy, but anywho, look at this color. I can tell this is gonna be so pretty on some nails. Okay, let's get into this purple. It's so pretty. It's so rich and pretty and shiny. Oh my goodness. Y'all know purple means royalty, and this color is definitely giving royalty. I love it. Okay, up next we have gold. And the gold is giving as well. These chrome powders are real good, okay, Temu? That gold is so pretty. This is the one that spilled on my hand that I showed you guys already. This is another burgundy, which is kind of a little deeper than this one. This one is actually more on the brown side, but this is more on the burgundy side. And then they gave 2 silvers. One is more on the grayer side of silver. This one is more on the lighter side of silver. We have blue. And this blue, ooh, I know that's gonna look real pretty on some nails. And I love that they give you multiple brushes that come with it. So that's a plus. So up next we have a tips and glue gel kit, and it comes with a solid glue gel, the curing light, and all the things that you need to apply your tips. So let me just tell y'all, the curing light and the glue gel was missing from my package, so I have to contact Temu and see if they're going to send it in a second package, because it wasn't in this one. I done pulled everything out, and I have the tips, the nail cutter, the nail file, and the nail brush, and the cuticle pusher to scoop out the solid glue gel, but I don't have the light and the glue gel. So I'll keep y'all updated on if it comes in a second package or not. But this concludes my Temu haul. And if you are new to Temu, go ahead and click that link in the description of my video and download the Temu app, and make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 so you can get an exclusive discount. And everything from this video will be linked in the description of this video as well. So that is the end of our Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed doing it. And Princess Jasmine said she got something she want to tell y'all. So go ahead and tell them.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see another video dropping.
And we'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.